What's going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. It's been a while since we've done a car video on this channel, and this time we've got the Abarth 124 Spider. So I think in my opinion this might be one of the best roadster car out right now that money can buy. I'll leave all pricing and all that kind of information in the description area, so do check it out. Click the link, it will give you all the details that you need. So this is a 1.4 turbo charged engine. You got 17-inch alloy there with Brembo disc brakes. He's got Abarth written all over it, and it's got this two-tone sort of thing going on here as well. So we've got the bonnet, which some people might not like, some might like, but I kind of like it. It takes me back to my boy racer days, which I probably shouldn't say on camera, but yes, we used to do those things, and we used to buy different bonnet colors just to like give the car a different look. So this is a Roadstar Spider, so which means you can take the roof off when it's nice and sunny. You got windbreaker there as well. Nice leather seats, and you've got a sport button as well. So when you push the sport button in there, it just brings it back to life, brings it to life rather than back to life. So this thing sounds amazing. It's got a nice little red tint to it to go with the branding all over the place. You got 7-inch display there in the system there, so it's touchscreen, so you can do sat nav, audio, all that kind of usual infotainment stuff. What else do we have here? We've got suede, we've got leather all over the place. We've got space at the back there to put things. So if you want to store your gloves or I don't know, phone maybe, you can store things in there. It's kind of longer on the front part, which is nice. It's not too obstructive when you're driving, which I like. I like the steering as well. It's quite stiff. You got 6-speed gearbox system there, which is quite stiff as well. Again, using that word stiff. So when you shift in the gearbox, it doesn't feel quite as smooth. But again, it's a sport thing. This is very much tuned. So there's a Fiat version and there's a Mazda version as well, which I think this is like a bigger sister. This is a very well tuned car for speeding, if you want to speed, for racing, if you want to race. But it's been super fun driving this. It's really nice and fun to drive. It sounds amazing, but might be too loud for everyday driving though. So if you're going to be commuting up and down the country, this might not be the one for you. You got 2 seats in there as well. Again, if you've got family and that kind of stuff, this is not the one for you. It's got decent boot space as well, so you can store, at the moment in the boot here, we've got like 2 backpacks, a tripod in there, and GoPro stuff, all that kind of stuff in there. So again, you got enough space for all that kind of stuff. Then we've been driving around the New Forest. This is like my favorite spot to come to when I review cars. So enjoy it, guys. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the description for more information. Hit the thumbs up if you like this as well, and subscribe for more. And let me know if you like this kind of video as well, because it's been a while that we've done it. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy.